In this video, we are going to do question number 1 of exercise number 2.3. This exercise is really very important, so learn carefully. Now see, the question says, divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx. Find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So let us see the first part. This is polynomial px that need to be divided by polynomial gx. So what I have done here, simply the px part I have written here and gx part outside, as we do usually in division. Now, what is the procedure? A simple procedure will follow. Always keep your eye on this term and here the highest degree term. So highest degree term here is x cubed, right? So always think like this. What should be multiplied in this term x square so that I get x cubed? That is this highest degree term. So in this x square, I need to multiply x. Only then x square into x will become x cubed. So first of all, I'll write here x. That is x square should be multiplied with x so that we get this x cubed, right? So x square into x is x cubed. Now this minus 2 will also be multiplied with this x. So minus 2 into x is minus 2x. And you see I have written this minus 2x under this 5x because they are alike terms, right? So cube term and cube terms are together. Similarly, these linear terms are together in which x has power 1, right? If I had any term with x square, I would have written it here. So now after writing x cube and how we got x cube, x square into x and then minus 2x, now we'll change the sign as we usually do in division. So I'll change the sign. This is positive, I'll make it negative. This is negative, I'll make it positive. Now what will happen? This x cube will be cancelled by this x cube and plus 5x, and here it was negative 2x, later on changed as plus 2x. So plus 5x plus 2x will become plus 7x. And this minus 3x square I have written here, and this minus 3 I have written here. So everything you have to write in next step. Okay. Now again, focus on this higher degree term. Higher degree means highest power of x, and here always on this first term. So what should be multiplied into x square so that I can get minus 3x square? What should be multiplied to x square so that I get minus 3x square? And if you know simple multiplication, you know that on multiplying minus 3 with x square, I'll get minus 3x square. So I'll simply multiply minus 3 with x square. So this is how we'll get this minus 3 here, right? So now x square into minus 3 is minus 3x square, and minus 2 into minus 3 is plus 6. And see again, I have written this plus 6 under this minus 3 because both are constants, x square under x square. Now again I'll change the sign. This is negative, so I'll make it positive. This is positive, so I'll make it negative, right? So now these signs are of no use. Now minus 3x square plus 3x square cancelled out, and now here plus 7x as it is we'll write, and minus 3 minus 6, that is minus 9. So after reaching this step, now you can see that the degree of this term is 1 and degree of this term is 2. So nothing can be multiplied to this x square to get 7x, right? So we'll stop here now. And whatever we got here, this is called as quotient, and whatever we get there, here, this is called as remainder. So this is quotient, this is remainder. Okay. Now we'll move toward the second part. In second part, we need to divide x raised to power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 by x square plus 1 minus x. Right, so this is the question. So x square plus 1 minus x, first of all we have to write it properly. What is the proper form? First of all this square term, then x term. So minus x I have taken in the middle, and then at the end there should be constant. So x square plus 1 minus x, first of all we have to write it in proper form. So everything else is okay. Here you can see I have left this space because x cube is not given in this term. So if you want, it is not compulsory. If you want, you can write here 0x cube also. 0x cube is not there. So in place of it, you can write 0x cube if you want. It is not necessary, right? So now what I taught you in the previous question is always keep your eye on this term, highest degree term, and here also this highest degree term. So what should be multiplied to x square so that we get x4? What should be multiplied to x square so that we get x4? So with x square we need to multiply x square only then we'll get x4. X square into x square is x4, right? So here you can see I have written x square y because x square into x square is x4. So x square multiplied by x square is x4, see this. Then minus x into x square is minus x cube, here I have written it, and 1 into x square is x square, okay? And then later on change the sign. This is positive, I made it negative. This is negative, I made it positive. This is positive, I made it negative, right? So now what will happen? Now we'll do adding and subtracting of these terms. So x4 minus x4 cancelled out, it will be 0. Here nothing is there, let us say it is 0 here. 0 plus x cube, see only these signs which you have changed. So 0 plus x cube is x cube, minus 3x square minus x square is minus 4x square, plus 4x plus 5. So remaining everything we have written as it is. Here minus 3x square minus x square, don't see this positive, this we have changed. Minus 3x square minus x square is minus 4x square, don't see this negative, plus x cube, and this is cancelled out. Now further we'll divide. So this term we know how we got x square. Now next term, how we'll get it? Simply multiply this x square with x and then only you can get x cube, right? So what should be multiplied with x square to get x cube? The simple answer is x. X square into x is x cube. So I multiplied x square with x, we'll get x cube. Similarly minus x into x is minus x square, isn't it? And 1 into x is x. So this thing we got from the previous step, this whole thing, and x square into x we got x cube, minus x into x we got minus x square, 1 into x we got x, and then later on change the sign. Whatever is positive we'll make it negative, what is negative we'll make it positive. So now this can be cancelled. Minus 4x square plus x square, so minus 4 plus 1x square, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3, so it is minus 3x square, right? Here positive you don't look at it. Plus 4x minus x is plus 3x, and this plus 5 as it is. Now again you see what can be multiplied to x square to get this term, first term, highest degree term, minus 3x square. So what should be multiplied to x square to get minus 3x square? What should be multiplied? So the answer is simple. We should multiply this term with minus 3. Only then we'll get minus 3x square. So here you can see this minus 3. Why I have written it here? Because x square into minus 3 is minus 3x square. Similarly minus x. These all terms need to be multiplied with this. Minus x into minus 3 is plus 3x, and plus 1 into minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. And then again I'll change the signs. Negative will become positive. Positive will become negative. Negative will become positive. And now we can cancel these terms. 3x, this sign, don't see this. 3x minus 3x, 0. And 5 plus 3, don't see this sign. 5 plus 3, after you change the sign, don't see the old sign. 5 plus 3 is 8. So this is our remainder 8. This is our quotient x square plus x minus 3. And remaining everything you understood, right? Okay, so this is remainder and quotient. Now let us proceed to the third part. That is, we need to divide x raised to power 4 minus 5x plus 6, right? And then this we need to divide by 2 minus x square. So as already I have told you, always the square term should be the first term. That is, the highest degree should be the first term, and then this constant can come later. Right, here everything is okay, highest power, then low power, and then constant. So here what I've written is that since x square term is not there, you can write it as 0x square, but you can simply skip this. There is no need to do this. Without this also we can do. So what if you skip this step, what you can do is you can avoid writing this here. Okay, simply write x4 then minus 5x plus 6. So I'm avoiding that step. Okay, so let us start. So what should be multiplied to minus x square to get x4? What should be multiplied with minus x square to get x4? First of all, x square into x square will make x4, right? So we need to multiply by x square. But minus x square into plus x square will be minus x4. I need plus x4. So this should be negative as well. Only then on multiplying we can get plus x4. So what I'll do, I'll write it here, I'll write minus x square. So minus x square into minus x square is x4, and 2 into minus 2 is, 2 into minus x square is minus 2x square. Okay, 2 into minus x square is minus 2x square. And now I'll change the sign. This is positive, I change it to negative. This is negative, I change it to positive. And now this can be cancelled, and only plus 2x square will write here, because upstairs there is no term there. Then minus 5x I'll write, then plus 6 I'll write as it is. And now what I need to think is, just wait a minute. Okay, what I need to think is what should be multiplied to this minus x square to get 2x square. So what should be multiplied with minus x square to get 2x square? Yes, so 2x square. Okay, so we need to, right? So 2 into x square will be 2x square, but this is negative, so 2 also we require negative, so that minus 2 into minus will become positive 2x square. So it means in minus x square I need minus 2 to be multiplied, right? So minus x square into minus 2x square is plus 2x square, and plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4, right? And now change the sign. This is positive, I'll make it negative. This is negative, I'll make it positive. Okay, so this can be cancelled, and minus 5x as it is, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So this is our quotient, and this is our remainder. Minus x square minus 2 is our quotient, and minus 5x plus 10 is our remainder, right? So this is the end of question number 1, exercise 2.3. Now watch next video for question number 2. Thank you.